Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Ako si Rod Bustos, my wife. Hi, good morning. Ako si Rod Bustos at my wife Kanil Bustos. Nandito po kami ngayon sa premiere showing ng Paraiso, a Gawad Kalinga movie, which is simultaneously being premiered all over the US. Nag-umpisa na po ito sa Boston and then St. Louis, and now we're currently holding this together with California. Ito pong Paraiso is a movie that was produced out of bayanihan o yung volunteerism of all the Filipino talents from the Philippines like Maricel Soriano, si Cesar Montano, tsaka si Michael V.
Ang scriptwriter po natin dito, mga award-winning scriptwriters. Also, winave po nila ang mga fees nila in favor of Gawad Kalinga. Ang Gawad Kalinga po, we're very proud to say, is a program that is run by ANCOP, Gawad Kalinga, that is geared towards a slum-free Philippines. Ang hope po natin ay talagang slum-free na yung ating bansang Pilipinas.
Ang Gawad Kalinga ay nag-umpisa sa Philippines in 1995, and right now we have built 1,100 villages throughout the Philippines. And we're not only confined the Philippines, but we have spread this volunteerism to Indonesia, to Cambodia, and also in Papua New Guinea.
Ang Gawad Kalinga programs po is composed of several projects within the project. Meron po tayong tatag, we build homes for the poorest of the poor. Pagkatapos, meron din po tayong mga health programs, education programs, at saka values formation. Tapos, ine-empower din po natin yung mga beneficiaries natin para kaya na nilang patakbuhin yung kanilang sariling community. One village of Gawad Kalinga is composed of about 30 to 50 homes po. At ang kagandahan ng Gawad Kalinga ay may sweat equity po yung mga beneficiaries, and our volunteers also put in their labor para yung bayanihan and heroism in the Filipino will come out.
So ito pong movie to, ang main purpose namin is for all the Filipinos, the Phil-Americans all over the world, to be aware of the Gawad Kalinga, and hopefully this will spread this news to all the other Filipinos outside of our home country, the Philippines. And together, in the very near future, we can hold hands and help the Philippines be a slum-free country.
Maganda po itong proyekto ng Gawad Kalinga. We believe it's a miracle, and it is one of the hopes for our country. Naniniwala po kami na talagang miracle ang Gawad Kalinga because it has transformed not only the lives of the beneficiaries, pero pati po yung mga volunteers, those who are partnering with us in our endeavors, in our programs, at lahat po ng mga caretaker teams. Meron po tayong caretaker teams na tinutulungan yung mga beneficiaries para ma-sustain yung ating mga communities doon. And all of these people, our lives are transformed by the work of Gawad Kalinga. Yung pong mga Filipino-Americans who were able to visit the Philippines and visit GK sites, Gawad Kalinga is GK by the way, talaga pong pagbalik nila, they come up with a lot of inspiring stories of how they were touched by what's going on in Gawad Kalinga back home. Pagkausap nilang beneficiaries, kausap nilang volunteers, tapos marami pong sumusuporta sa Gawad Kalinga. Ang national government, actually the national government is asking Gawad Kalinga to help in many efforts sa mga calamity areas, and also we have the local governments are also supporting us by way of giving their lands, and yung mga sewer system, yung mga ganyan po, tinutulungan tayo ng mga local governments. We also have private donated lands, and Maganda po dahil mga businesses, even the multinational companies in the Philippines like McDonald's, Procter & Gamble, yung mga big companies and small companies as well, are also partnering with us for Gawad Kalinga. And we also have ambassadors of foreign countries in the Philippines who go to the Gawad Kalinga sites and paint and hammer and do the work of building with us. And so we're very proud of this miracle, and we're so privileged that we're part of the miracle that is Gawad Kalinga. We hope that you can also be a part of this.
Kaya ho kami nandito. As you see, we are surrounded by good-looking people here, handsome men and beautiful women. Kami po yung nagvo-volunteer for free to help propagate this good news. Ito pong Gawad Kalinga. At alam po natin, ito po ay isang organization na Philippine-made. Nag-umpisa ho sa Philippines and we're proud of it. Today, i-reveal through 3 episodes of the movie ang buhay po ng mga beneficiaries sa Pilipinas, yung mga nabigyan ng bahay, yung buhay po ng mga caretakers, yung mga tumutulong sa kanila, at ang buhay po ng isang donor o yung mga tumutulong financially para po maging yung panaginip nila ay maging katotohanan.
Binabalik po natin actually ang integridad ng mga mahihirap sa ating bansa. At doon sa pagtulong natin sa Gawad Kalinga, talaga naman pong the poor in our country feel yung total human liberation na tinatawag, and they really feel that their dignity is restored. Maganda po ang movie natin. In fact, we want to mention that one of the ang movie po natin ay trilogy, by the way. 3 storya po ito. Yung isang storya po is about a Filipino-American station in New York whose wife died in 9/11. And in memory of his wife, he built several villages in the Philippines already as a legacy for the wife. So we urge our fellow Filipinos, mahal natin ang Pilipinas, alam natin yan. Kahit nandito tayo sa ibang bansa, mahal natin ang Pilipinas. So we urge you to join us in our effort at nation building.
So ito po yung movie namin actually is not a profit-oriented undertaking. We just want the Filipinos around the area to know about Gawad Kalinga. And hopefully, kung magkakaroon po kaming konting kita rito, ito po yung magiging puhunan namin to make some more premiere showings around the area. Ang very soonest is Virginia Beach, and then we plan one in Ellicott City and Columbia and so forth until we commercially sell the movie in a DVD 6 months from now.
Panghuli po, iniimbitahan po namin kayong lahat to know more about Gawad Kalinga. Pwede po kayong pumunta sa website natin, www.ancop.usa, that's ANCOPUSA.org. Yan po ang ANCOP po ang foundation that runs Gawad Kalinga. We also have www.gawadkalinga.org. So if you can log on to these websites to know more about the work and the miracle of Gawad Kalinga. Thank you so much.
So Gawad Kalinga, sali na kayo!
Dyan.
Okay. Thank you.
The best of old fashioned and also the new technology. And it's a good turnout.
Ikaw na magbibigay ng bag. Sandali ha. Jenny, ito yung picture. You have everybody with you? Yeah, then they may ticket ka na? Yeah. Sige na, para mag-kuha ka yung ticket. Ha? I don't have a ticket. I need all the tickets. Yeah. Then nakalagay.
So I am strong when I am. Picture. Right now. No, take it. Whoa. Come on, show see the rock. Come on. This is my sidekick. Babu.